So this is the pound USD analysis for Friday the 6th of October. Now, what have we seen? We've seen prices sell off quite a bit on the pound USD. So if we go out to the higher time frames, just to get some perspective, and yeah, we were having a bullish trend continuation, and we sold back down a little bit from the September candle, and now it seems like we're trading in the way in which momentum is currently proceeding on the pound USD. We could potentially test the actual open of the monthly candle for September, and that is at the opens at 129.28. So it is still quite a bit away, but the distance covered within this first week on the pound USD is pretty sizable. So a test of the 129.28 is not too far away to be, and for it to be tested by the end of the month, I suppose is perfectly reasonable. So if I go to the weekly time frame, and let's see if there's anything interesting. Again, we're having we've had 3 bearish weeks now, barring a dramatic turnaround tomorrow, which I don't expect. We're going to have a 3rd consecutive bearish week. And we're currently trading below the low of this candle which pushed up, this weekly candle which pushed up. So we are selling off from the close of the weekly candle on the week of Brexit. So we do have this 20 period moving average all the way down here. Let's just see where that 20 period moving average is. That 20 period moving average is at 130.29 currently, and I suppose it could potentially be a target, but I'm just going to go down to my preferred execution time frame. But I'm just going to have a look at the daily first, and as you can see, we've retraced quite a bit. The retracement has been quite deep. We obviously got this moving average here in black, which we might see a little tiny bounce from for a further continuation to the downside. And let me just go down to the execution time frame, which is the hourly. So on the hourly, as you can see, the sell-off has been pretty strong. We have come down to the 32.81, and we've had several tests of that level. Could not hold that level, could not break above it and stay above it. So as the price, as we were not able to hold, it would have been correct to assume further downside was on the cards. Now, I thought, I didn't actually think prices would come down as quickly as they have, from 32.81 down to 31.47, but put simply, prices have been trending pretty strongly to the downside of the pound against USD. So the bias remains bearish, and the next downside target would be 130.03 or 129.83, as can be seen on this chart. I would say 129.83 being a well, 130 will likely be an important psychological level, but 129.83 potential area of support. Now, price where it is now, we might see a bit of a retracement back up to test the 131.47. So that does remain possible, but my overall bias is to the short side. Now, a weaker than expected NFP could see a bullish spike in the pound, so then we would be looking at targeting this 50 period moving average, and above that we'll be looking at 32.81. But that's all conditional on a stronger than expected NFP, which primarily affects the USD. So I've highlighted levels I'm looking for on the pound USD. And let's just have a look to see if there's anything on the higher time frames. No, I've already mentioned those on the higher time frames. So that should pretty much wrap up the pound USD. Before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.